Hi there, I'm Jenny from 36pix, and today I'm going to show you how to deal with heavy spill, which causes unwanted transparency in your images. CloudKO Lite will automatically remove spill and reflection and give a great result, except in cases of very heavy spill, which will leave behind too much transparency when removed, as is the case with the wooden bench in this image. The spill tool is not intended for every image. It's for those special cases when removing the green spill causes too much transparency, which distracts from the subject. Our spill tool will be able to remove green spill but without making the object transparent. To start, I would recommend addressing this image as you normally would. In this case, I want to keep this tiny bit of green on her shirt while deleting the rest. For this, I'll use the lasso and the hide green outside selection action. Now that our masking is complete, let's deal with the transparency caused by the green spill. If I use the keyboard shortcut C and scroll through our background colors, you can really notice how reflective the surface of this bench is and how problematic that's going to be when we try to add a new background. Before I do anything else, I like to save using Ctrl S, just in case I make a mistake and I want to revert back to before I started the spill tool, which I can do by reloading the image. Next, I need to activate the spill tool. I can do that by choosing it from the drop-down Actions menu or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt-R. Once I've activated the spill tool, you'll notice it says Spill Mode On in my toolbar. To begin, I'm going to need a selection of the affected areas. You can choose the appropriate selection tool for this depending on the image and what you're comfortable with. In this case, I'm going to use a combination of the lasso and the wand. It's important that I get all of these transparent sections while being careful to not select the background. Once that's complete, I'm going to press the delete key. This will fill my selection with green. Now, as I press the delete key again, CloudKO Lite is going to add magenta. I need to keep pressing the delete key, adding a little bit of magenta at a time until I'm happy with the color. If I go a little too far, you can see the color shift past neutral into magenta. In order to back this up, I'm just going to undo using Ctrl-C. Next, I'll deselect by using the keyboard shortcut D. You just want to double check that the area you use the spill tool matches the color around it. This image looks good, but if you needed, you could always blend the edges with a low opacity brush. Now, if we flip through the background colors, we can see there is no more transparency. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for information on the other tools and actions offered by CloudKO Lite. Thanks for watching.